I'm taking you on a motorcycle ride. So come along, and it's going to be in 360 view. So let's get going. My name is Jonathan, and I'm a caregiver for my wife Lynn, who has a permanent brain injury. Things are different now, but we're doing the best that we can. Join us as we experience the Lynn life. hope you enjoyed your motorcycle ride. Lynn's inside watching her soap opera right now. I just went and checked in on her. I thought I would just give you a little sort of behind the scenes look at how I pulled that off. I actually shot that on my Insta360 R camera, as well as a few shots off the GoPro that was attached to my chest. The 360R, however, was right over here on this boom, and it sticks way up above the handlebars, and it's a real interesting little camera. There's actually two lenses, one on either side of the camera, right here, and it takes full 360 video all the way around me, and I can choose the direction that I want the camera or you to see, rather. What I'm actually recording is full 360, but for the case of this video, I'm shooting it in 16:9, or I'm actually playing it back at 16:9, and it's going to match the other video that I'm shooting actually like right now. So I can't show it to you in full 360, but I can choose your view. So when you see the camera swing around, that's something that I did after the fact. But the entire 360 view was available to me. So it's really interesting. It's a new angle. This is something that I'm addicted to. I love stuff like this. It's also what I do professionally. And I've actually used that 360R for some of my clients as well. So, pretty cool stuff. So, I think that's it. So we'll see you next time on The Lynn Life.